This is the NEET 2018 question in collisions and work power energy. Let's have a look at the problem. A moving block having mass m collides with another stationary block having a mass 4m. Let's try to understand what's the meaning of that is. There's a block of mass m moving. He said the initial velocity of the lighter block, this is a lighter block m, this is a lighter block m because the another mass is 4m. So this is velocity v given for you, collided with a stationary block of mass 4m, whose initial velocity equal to 0. Initial velocity of the first body is v, second body equal to 0. This is before the collision. After the collision, the lighter block comes to the state of rest. So this is before the collision. After the collision, lighter block m, initial velocity after the collision comes to the rest v2. Second body comes to a velocity v2, we don't know that, but we want coefficient of restitution. Anyway, in any collision we can say momentum is always conserved. What do you mean by momentum is conserved? Initial momentum before the collision is final momentum after the collision. Let us substitute that. m1 is m, initial velocity is v. m2 is 4m, but that is initially in the state of rest. After the collision, m1 is m, v1 came to the rest, he has given. Second body of mass 4m, what is its velocity? We don't know. So mv plus 0 equal to 0 plus 4m of v2. M and m will cancel. So v2 equal to v by 4. That's the velocity of the second body after the collision. Once you got that, you can calculate the coefficient of restitution. The definition of the coefficient of restitution is, it is ratio of relative velocity of separation after the collision to the relative velocity of separation, relative velocity of approach before the collision, u1 minus u2. Let us substitute the data. v2 you got it as v by 4. v1 it was given like rest. u1 he has given it like v. u2 equal to 0. So v by 4 by v, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 0.25. That's the answer for the problem. So the only thing that you need to know to solve this problem is coefficient of restitution definition. Ratio of relative velocity of separation after the collision to the relative velocity of approach before the collision, and also a very basic concept that momentum is conserved in any kind of collision. Knowing that too, you can solve the problem quite easily. Thank you for watching.